guys, it's Res. It's been years, man. It's been years since I vlogged. Yes. We are in the resort. Hi. Oh my god. What? Oh yeah. No.
Okay guys, let's go back.
Yeah, let's go back. We're just strolling around the resort. We are currently in Bohol. Yeah, we are in Bohol. Yes. What? Go back. What?
Hey, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good.
Yeah, that actually looks good.
Do you watch Studio Ghibli?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, I'm watching it right now.
You are?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
I watched My Neighbor Totoro and I love it so much.
Oh, the what?
My Neighbor Totoro.
Oh, My Neighbor Totoro. Yeah, I've watched that. It's so nice. Oh,
I should show them like a little shop.
yes.
You should check it. It's so cute.
We have like a small shop here at the front where we are checking in all our stuff after the plane ride. And then we met Fanny. We're in Panglao Tower. Yes. Panglao. Ooh, it's so nice. It actually means the one from Nolly. Boba Scoop. Yes. Next. So, yes. We're walking around.
Everyone, hashtag vlog.
Hashtag vlogging. Vlogging's real. Whoa. Oh, look. Shops. It's a cafe. No cafe. Oh, it's the gift shop. Uy, the Starshare. Starshare, man. Yes. It's giving. Now we're walking. Yes, we are walking.
Also vlogging.
Yeah. Show the view.
The view.
Wow.
That is one gorgeous. Hold on, it's too bright. It's too bright. Look at that view.
Damn, that view is so good, man. The water looks so clean.
So nice.
Wow.
You guys have shades, right?
I have glasses. And the sand doesn't like it's clean, man.
Beautiful. Wow.
Right. Wow. We just rested up from the hotel and now we're eating dinner. For dinner we had sinigang fish as appetizers. Got rice already but there's no ulam yet. Food's come. I was able to eat one barbecue. Hey guys, it's another day and we just woke up and we're about to eat breakfast. Let's go. Yes. My glasses are so foggy. You're still sleepy? Transition. Now we're in the restaurant and we got our food. Yes. We're ready eating. I haven't eaten yet. One time. So we just finished eating, we freshened up a little, and now we're going on a city tour. Yeah, I'm excited for this one. We're going to the Chocolate Hills. Let's go! We're now here where the blood compact happened. Yeah. So we like so much statues. See here. The blood compact. Wow. Hey guys, now we are going to the Lobok River cruise. Yes, we're gonna be eating in a cruise. We're on the way to the port. Yeah, we're on the way to the port. Yes. Oh. Now we are here because some people wanna go zip lines. Ah! You're gonna go zip lining? Oh. She's gonna go zip lining. Are you gonna go zip line? Are you gonna go zip line?
so.
No, not me. It hurts my ears. I don't want to. It feels so long. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's great. What? That's so high and
I love it.
what?
Take a photo of them, please. Take a
Oh my god!
That's Marcos! Marcos! Hi, Marcos! Why wasn't the dude? I know. Sit down. Ito po. Oh.
Just finished ziplining, got my pictures, and I bought some Doritos on the way. It was fun. I was laughing halfway the ride. Hello, we're now in a man-made forest. Hey guys, now we're gonna be seeing tarsiers here. Gosh guys, we got our tickets now and we will now go tarsiers. It's gonna be quiet because you have to be silent, but I'll just show you footage. Oh my gosh guys, we found another tarsier. There, see? It's awake. Oh my gosh, see, it's a tarsier. Hi, Toof. Hi, say hi, tarsier. Bro's staring into my soul. So we just finished doing the ATV.
So good.
So good, yeah, so fun.
This guy like tried to bump me so many times on purpose.
On purpose. You
Like
heard
100
that? On
times.
purpose.
Went so close to me, like there was barely an inch.
So close. But I haven't
You
bumped
almost hit me, you kept hitting me.
I know,
You kept
right?
almost hitting me. You know, he's behind me.
And he goes close and he's like,
And then he breaks right behind me.
but he doesn't
No,
bump.
I doesn't.
Right one is
I don't hit her.
monster.
That's so good. That's me.
Eat it crazy.
Hey guys, now we are here in the chocolate. Wow, my glasses are so foggy. Let's take it off. Okay, now here in the Chocolate Hills. Woo! Chocolate Hills, yeah, let's go. Chocolate Hills, dark Chocolate Hills. Chocolate Hills like 6 p.m.